WebAssembly is a binary instruction format developed by a group of browser vendors such as Google, Microsoft, Mozilla, and Apple. It is designed as a common compilation target of many languages such as C, Go, and Rust while achieving near-native performance. Nowadays, WebAssembly is brought outside the browser because of its three characteristics: cross-platform, high performance, and multi-language support. If we bring WebAssembly to IoT platforms, what would it be like? Unfortunately, we found that WebAssembly runtimes are too heavyweight for resource-constrained IoT devices. So we propose Wait, a WebAssembly runtime for constrained IoT devices. Wait achieves 85x lower RAM usage by streamed compilation and memory trimming while keeping near-native performance by ahead-of-time compilation. Furthermore, Wait leverages more than 15 compile time and runtime checks for safety and reduces more than 1.9x energy by several energy optimizations. Wait will facilitate a seamless computation integration among the heterogeneous IoT devices and the cloud server. With Wait, you will get isolated and safe execution of IoT applications, even if the module is transmitted by an insecure network. With Wait, you can write IoT applications using multiple languages without considering if the device supports them. With Wait, we will be one step closer to the Web of Things future. For more details, please refer to our paper, and see you in June.